Today I'm making a delicious brinjal curry with onion masala. To begin with, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan and switch on the gas. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of whole urad dal, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute this well. Now add 6 to 7 dry chilies and saute them nicely. Our tempering is ready. Switch off the stove and let it cool completely. Once cooled, we'll transfer it to a mixie jar. And then into the jar, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of tamarind and salt to taste. Close the lid and grind it. Now add 2 chopped onions to the ground mixture and grind it again to a smooth masala paste. Our masala is ready. Next, take half kg brinjals and cut it into pieces. Place the brinjals in salt water so they don't turn black. Now let's cook the brinjals. Switch on the gas and pour about 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the brinjal pieces. Mix well. Cover and cook this for 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes. Now let's check if the brinjals are cooked. This looks soft and done. So let's add the prepared masala paste. Mix everything together. Add salt if needed and saute until the curry releases nice aroma. If you like spicier, then you can add red chilli powder or you can add more dry chilies. This looks done. Your brinjal onion curry is now ready to serve. Switch off the stove and transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy this flavorful curry with hot rice or chapati and let me know how it turned out. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food.